It is our great pleasure to welcome you all to today's gathering. As we come together to discuss and explore the topic of suspension, we are reminded. In this group, we have assembled a talented and knowledgeable team of individuals from various backgrounds and expertise. Each one of us brings a unique set of experiences and insights that will participate and enrich our discussions and contribute to a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Over the course of our time together, we will engage in thought-participating conversations, share innovating ideas, and work together to identify solutions to the challenges we face. Through active participation, respectful dialogue, and open-mindedness, we aim to create a productive and inclusive environment that fosters creativity and growth. As we embark on this journey of exploration and discovery, we recognize the value of teamwork, communication, and mutual respect. We look forward to learning from one another, building meaningful connections, and achieving our goals together. So, let us begin this exciting journey, and may our collective efforts yield fruitful outcomes that benefits us according to our needs. Please understand the video, and later we will ask about the topic. A suspension is a mixture of two or more substances where particles are dispersed in a liquid or gas, but not dissolved. The particles are typically large enough to be seen with the naked eye and will settle over time due to gravity. Think of it like muddy water. The mud particles are suspended in the water, but they don't dissolve. Instead, they'll eventually settle to the bottom. Suspensions are different from solutions where the particles are dissolved and evenly distributed.
Examples of a suspension. Muddy water. Why is muddy water a suspension? Muddy water is considered a suspension because 1. Particles don't dissolve. The mud particles don't dissolve in the water. Instead, they remain suspended. Paint. Paint is considered a suspension because 1. Pigment particles. Paint contains solid pigment particles that are dispersed in a liquid carrier. When you stir or shake paint, the particles redistribute, allowing for a uniform application. This characteristic suspension behavior makes a paint a great example. Blood is considered a suspension because 1. Cells suspended in plasma. Blood contains red and white blood cells, platelets, and other particles suspended in a liquid called plasma. The suspended cells and particles in blood play crucial roles in delivering oxygen, fighting infections, and supporting overall health. This complex suspension is essential for life. Salad dressing. Why is salad dressing a suspension? Salad dressing can be considered as a suspension because 1. Particles dispersed. Many salad dressings contain particles like herbs, spices, or emulsified ingredients that are dispersed in the liquid. Clouds considered as a suspension. Clouds are considered suspensions because 1. Water droplets or ice crystals. Clouds consist of tiny water droplets or ice crystals suspended in air. In this case, the air acts as the medium, and the water droplets or ice crystals are the suspended particles. This suspension of particles in air is what makes clouds visible and affects weather patterns.